Hello traders, hope you're doing well. Yesterday when I shared my analysis video, the thumbnail of the video was time for short covering rally. That means I was expecting upside move. Why did I expect this? Because these two are important zone. The buyers who have entered the market in the past after this correction in both the index, they can start pushing the market towards the upside. But for everybody's surprise, what happened? Fed chairman, after cutting the interest rate by 0.25 basis points, he made some negative comments saying that there is going to be only two rate cuts in the upcoming year instead of four rate cut. Because of that, continuously US market fell and gift nifty also was indicating around 300 points gap down. Now since I am having a bullish view from this buying pressure zone, but there is negative news in the market, I started to share update both in free telegram as well as private telegram group. The first update which I shared was this: expectation is market will open near the buying pressure zone highlighted above these two levels and can be sell on rise post breaking the buying pressure zone. Only if market goes below the zone, we'll be looking for put option trade. Now later point of day, market opened with big gap down. Everybody view will be bearish. But my expectation was from the buying pressure zone, market can trap people who quickly thinks about entering put option trade. Now in this video, I explained my view saying that Nifty can move towards the upside. Meanwhile, Bank Nifty can move up to the resistance zone. From the time Bank Nifty starts falling in the market, Nifty also can make a momentum towards the downside. Now this view I shared both in free telegram as well as private telegram group. When Nifty started correcting from the resistance, Bank Nifty started correcting, I said this is the buying pressure zone for both the index. I think from here only market moved up and tested the resistance area. So this is the move. After market reaching our resistance, I said we cannot plan for call as the market now is at resistance. It is not safe. In Nifty also, resistance zone, we can expect a breakout and then it can fail. So overall market sentiment according to me was bearish. Next, this was the buying pressure zone. I said if market breaks this low or this low, then we can expect continuation towards the downside. So as per our expectation, Bank Nifty reached the resistance. When Bank Nifty started correcting, Nifty also followed Bank Nifty. In between, yes, here buying pressure was there, but I said no fresh put option trade as of now. Only when it breaks this zone, we can look for put option trade. So from there we got a moment. Here also we got a moment. After continuous momentum towards the upside, I will consider our market to be sideways itself. It formed a low, it formed a high, both Nifty and Bank Nifty, and between only it was trading. So many people who continuously thought let me enter a bearish trade, definitely they would have been trapped. Especially today's Nifty expiry, premiums would have reduced nicely. Now all the update which I shared in private telegram group, today I shared in the free telegram channel also. Same time. It completely depends on how you made use of the update which I shared today. So this was about today's trade. Let's quickly discuss about what kind of plan we have for tomorrow. Traders, this is Bank Nifty chart 15 minutes time frame. Yesterday I had marked this important buying pressure zone. Market today it was trading in the buying pressure zone itself, right? That means this buying pressure zone is still valid. Why we consider this as buying pressure zone? Why is it valid? Previously there was a gap here. Now what has happened? This gap has been filled, but what has market done? It has created a gap on top. Now my expectation is the buyers who are at the bottom, these people, if they are strong, like I already said, they can re-enter the market and they can push it towards the upside. For example, market if it is holding on, how can we plan a trade? If market is holding on between today's high and today's low, we'll avoid trade. But if it breaks this level, then it can go and fill this gap. And when market goes above 52,000, then continuation can happen up to 52,478 to 52,485. Now at this zone, it completely depends on sellers. What sellers have decided. Sellers who are sitting in the market here during this move, they would have made profit. And especially when market opened with gap down, they would have made profit. But some people, if they are holding on to this trade, and if market after filling this gap, let's say it opened with a bigger gap up, it moved up and it filled this gap, then it can continue up to this level, and it depends on this seller if they want to push the market again towards the downside. If they do that, our market can turn sideways. So next buying opportunity when we will have when market goes above this area. To make it very simple, this is buying entry zone. Days high, days low. Mark that. You can see what is these levels. If market consolidates, gives a breakout, or opens with gap up, shows continuation, goes above 52,000, it will create panic. Market can continue the upside move up to this zone. If these sellers are strong, they will push the market towards the downside. By chance, if the buyers who are at the bottom, if they are very strong, market can correct later, move towards the upside. We will get to know if the buyers are strong or sellers are strong only when the movement happens. But still at the zone, one attempt on the put option side we will do, so that if market comes sideways, we will capture the move, or else a decent movement of close to 300 points will be able to capture. That's my understanding when market reaches this zone, because weak players who enter the market, even market has to remove them, right? After correction it can move towards the upside, so we can keep trailing our stop loss and plan our trade. So this is about bank nifty. If you have understood about bank nifty, then nifty also will be easy for you, because similar pattern. There is a gap here. Buyers who entered the market previously here, they can re-enter. Many times I've told this is the buying pressure zone. Market has created a double bottom. As long as day is high, day is low, market is trading within this range, we will avoid. Only when it goes below this zone, buying pressure zone, then with small stop loss, we will be looking for bearish trade. As long as market is staying above buying pressure zone, it is consolidating, giving a breakout, goes above 24,000, then market can fill this gap, continue the trend. At the same time, the sellers who are sitting in the market on top, who push the market nicely towards the downside, they can plan for re-entry at the zone. There with small stop loss, we will plan for bearish trade. Maybe we will be able to capture 100 to 150 points. If this is just a correction, we'll keep trailing our stop loss, book a profit, so that in case market reverses from here also, our trailing stop loss will be hit, but still we will be in profit. But in case again market comes to this buying zone, we'll be able to capture close to 400 points in the market. So that is the opportunity. What if market opens with extreme gap up? If it holds on to this range, then these buyers are really strong. They can next push the market towards the upside. Whatever logic I spoke about bank nifty applies for nifty, and nifty's logic applies for bank nifty, because both the index you can see they are between the buying and selling pressure zone. So bigger up move is above this level, bigger down move is below this level. In nifty also, bigger up move is above this level, bigger down move is below this level. Within this range, constant battle between buyers and sellers, that moment we will try to capture, okay, because this range is not too small. I hope my view is clear and you have understood where buyers and sellers are sitting in the market. If you enjoyed this analysis, then share your support by liking the video, subscribing to the channel. If you have not joined our free Telegram group, you can do that by scanning this QR code. Link is provided in the description box below. You can check it out. Now in the comment section, please let us know how did your trade go today. It will be very interesting for us to read. Thank you so much for watching the video. I'll see you in the next one.